Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So here you need to search for the WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, click on the plus icon and select any person. So I'm going to select myself. So you simply need to click on this icon, click on gallery and select any picture from your gallery. So I'm going to select this one for example, and here you need to click on this one. So now you can see that okay, this picture will be sent once. So once another person open that picture, that person is unable to save that picture, and now you can see that it is sent. So let me suppose I click on that picture. So let me show you. Because I sent this picture to myself, I am unable to open that. But let's suppose another person opened that picture. Once he viewed, this picture will gone. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.